I received in the mail this Minnie Mouse blow mold from the Disney store, and we're going to look at it today. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get on with the video. And so here's Minnie Mouse blow mold next to last year's 2023 Mickey Mouse blow mold. The first thing that I noticed between these two blow molds is that Minnie is a lot lighter colors than Mickey, especially on the orange parts. The yellow parts, Minnie has a darker yellow and Mickey has a lighter yellow paint. I like Minnie's bow. That's a cute added detail. It's different than Mickey. And she has eyelashes, and Mickey has Minnie. Overall, they're the same size. And they're both really cute. I'm going to show you both of them with their lights on in a minute here. Overall, I really like both pumpkins. They're very nice, very well made. Love the blow mold Mickey pumpkin collection, and I hope they make more. I thought they were supposed to have the smaller size of these, but I still haven't found those. By the way, if you are looking forward to getting one of these, they are sold out right now. I don't know if they will be returning. And there's also a Mickey wreath, just like the Main Street decorations at Halloween party time. And that is also sold out, and I did not get that with this, but overall, I hope Disney keeps making the Mickey pumpkin collection because it is a really cute collection. And I like getting all the different little pumpkins. So, cool thing I just noticed with Minnie. So, if you get your Minnie pumpkin, she comes with batteries included. There's just a little like white tab at the bottom that you have to pull out. She also has, and I gotta see if Mickey has this, but she has an on, off, and 6-hour timer, so you don't have to keep turning it on and off, which is a nice added feature. So, now I'm going to show you both of them with their lights on. And so here's the both of them with their lights on. As you can see, Mickey has a slow flashing where he fades in and out kind of effect, whereas Minnie has this light flickering effect. Overall, they look really cute and really nice, and yeah. Oh, and by the way, Mickey from last year does not have a timer, so if you want a timer option, if they restock Minnie and Mickey of this year, they have a 6-hour timer, so. I hope you enjoyed this video on the review of my Mickey and Minnie blow molds. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And please leave a comment below if you like the Mickey blow molds. Have an enchanting day.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't